Today, we will be hearing from our folk dance. Si Culture Arts lang ba?
She's a member also of Culture Arts.
Okay. Okay, so we now give the floor to our elected president of the Kamayo Folk Dance.
Good morning, everyone. I respect our city mayor and to the council. We are here today with my full force members of the Kamayo, the newly formed arm of the Bislig Culture and Heritage Arts Society. We have the Kamayo Folk Dance Society, this center. So we are here today with a very full purpose.
Hello mga kabuakak, finally nandito na tayo sa loob ng session hall. We are attending the regular session of the Bislig City Council, of course attended by the City Vice Mayor and the City Councilors of Bislig City. So kasama po ang aming presidente and of course yung aming City Tourism Officer headed by Ma'am Lori and Sir Juan. Kasama din namin ang lahat ng miyembro ng Kamayo Folk Dance Society with Sir Demit and Sir Richard of the Vice President and si Sir Danilo po. Is buong pwersa po kaming nag-attend to seek for financial support po para makapag-attend kami for the National Folk Dance, Philippine Folk Dance na magaganap sa Iloilo mga kabuhakak. So ayan, so habang nakikipaglabi at nakikinig kami, my God, super kaba talaga kasi ganito pala yung nangyayari sa loob dito. And alam nyo ba mga kabuhakak, isinuspend nila ang session para makater lang po kami ng ating mga city councilors and of course at our city vice mayor, no? Maraming salamat sa inyo.
50 para magkakayo ang 100.
Oh, yeah!
Okay, so the main objection is
Yay! Yay! Salamat! Salamat dun sa inyo. Salamat, Ma'am Lo. Oh my God, successful kabuhak ko. Ayan. Uy, Diyos ko, kakulba man di ay sa sulod. Pero in all fairness, mga buutan sila. Very welcoming ang gesture. Diba? Congrats. Congrats, Sir Dylan. O diba, nakalipay ka ayo o, kay positive ang response.
Mayor,
Correct. Ayun. Thank our city mayor, mga kabuka. Mayor, salamat. Salamat, Mayor. Yeah.